Hello, everybody. I am going to attempt to create a design that I've had in my head. It's just going to be simple hearts with names. And then I don't know if I want to put something in the name or not. So let's go ahead and log into Canva and see what we can do. So I log into Canva. I'm going to click custom design and I'm going to change this units from pixel to inches, and I'm going to change it to let's do 14 by 8. Okay, and then I'm going to click create new design. Okay, so this is the little area that I'll be working with. And I'm going to enlarge it just a little bit so I can see more. And what I want to do is come over here, click on elements, and I want to search for hearts. And I want them to be open. That's fine, but I want it to be open. See, like this is open. Kind of want it to be like that, but I want it to be like a regular heart, like this. Okay. And why isn't my heart showing? I don't know. Let's see. Is it white? Um, yeah, it was white. Oh my. Let's make it black. And actually, I don't want this heart. I think I want a I think they're called frames. Heart. Let's see. Frames. Because I want to be able to put a picture. Now I haven't decided yet. Y'all can tell this is like a undecided type of thing. Like I haven't decided if I want to put a picture in it or not. If I wanted to put a picture in it, I would use a frame heart. And then I would choose the picture that I want. But let's go with this. Okay. Okay. So I have my heart here, and I am going to um let's duplicate this twice because I want 3 hearts. And 1 heart I want to, okay, I'm going to click on elements because I want to add a like a box, any box. You can choose any box, and what I'm going to do is just open it up a little bit or bring it down a little bit so that it's not as big. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I am going to change the color to white. When that happens, watch what happens. See, when I change the color to white, you can't tell that was there. So now let's see how this looks. I'm going to click on text and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to type a text. But I want it to be fancy. So let's change the font to something a little bit more fancier. So let's see. That one is okay. Let's see, Brittany. That's okay. I like that. So let's do this. I'm going to change it to Brittany. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll up and put her name right there. I don't know how I want to place it. But I'm going to put her name right there. Okay. Now that her name is there and the box is there and everything, I'm just going to select it all. And then I'm going to group it so that when I move it, it moves as one unit, okay? So the next thing I want to do is I want to add another heart. But let's see, how do I want to add it? I don't know where I want to add it. Let's add it. Can add it there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do another box. This time my box will be a little bit bigger. And I just want to see something. I'm sure it's an easier way of doing this, but you gotta know me to know I don't always do things the easiest way. So I'm going to select this box. I'm going to change the color to white. Click out of it. Go back in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this forward. Well, let's click over here. Just going to click and layer and bring forward so that it looks like that. That doesn't look too bad, does it? Yeah, right there. Okay, so now I am going to do another box, but it's going to be smaller. And I'm going to add his name. So we're going to click text box, and then I'm going to add a name. His name is Trent, and I want the junior in there. And I also want to add the Brittany font to that. And I'm going to select the box if I can, and I'm going to change it to white. So I'm just going to select this and group it together so that when I move it, do I want his name over here, y'all think? Or over here? Maybe over here. So now I can just group all of this together and move it just a little bit. Okay, so now I want to do this one, and I'm just trying to get my placement right. No, bring it down a little bit. We'll do this here, so I'll add a little box there. So let's go back to elements, and I'm going to add my box. I think I'm going to add my box. And I forgot what size I needed my box to be, or where I was going to put it actually. Let's bring this forward so I can see. And we're going to go to, get somewhere where it can be layered. Then I'm going to bring it to the front. And I think something right there would work. So I'm just going to bring this down a little. And then I'm going to change this to white. Let's see. Oh, that looks good. It looks nice. So now that's my third box. It's my third box, and I'm going to just add another little box. And I'm going to bring it up a little bit, and then I'm going to add some text to it. That's her name. And I'm going to change the font, and then I'm going to change the color of the box to white. Did I change everything to white? I may have. Okay, and I'm just selecting that. Did it not change the color? Everything changes. I don't know why. Let me see something. I don't know. I don't think it's grouped. So when that happens, just start over. Not finna stress over anything. So let me add her name first, or type her name. Angel. And then I'm going to change the font to what we've been using, which is Brittany. I'm just going to move that up. Let's move it down a little bit. And I'm going to change the color to white and move Angel up a little. Guess that's it. And I'm going to group this together. And I'm just going to put that there. So now I have La Brea, Trent, and Angel. Isn't that cute? I think that's so cute. I think it's cute. So that's the design that I had in my head that I wanted to create. I wanted to see if I could kind of break up the hearts without, like in Cricut Design Space, you can slice, but how do you do it in Canva? And that's one way to do it. Just playing around with the system, getting the design in your head, and going for that design with everything that you have. If I would have did the frames, I could have done the heart frame. Let's show you the heart frame, and I could have put pictures in the heart frame. Like La Brea is a navy person, so let's see anything navy. Like that. I like that. But you could put anything in there. You can drag these over there. Oh, well, I need it to be full. Let's try it again. That's funny. Let's see. No, that's a video. Oh, come on. Now we have. Let's do a navy ship. There we go. You can put the navy ship in there. You can put the navy men in there. You can put just about any photo in there as long as it's wide and it's big enough to fill the frame. So that was pretty neat. Oh, let's see this. Maybe. And you want it to feel like all of it, so that needed to be smaller. But you can do just about anything with the frames, and then you can put the name in, do whatever you want. But this is the design that I wanted to do, that I like. I really like it. And it's simple. It's not hard. Just kind of play around with the system to see what you like and what you don't like. Maybe I'll come back and do one that have the pictures on the inside. If I can figure out what kind of pictures I want, I may put their birth dates or their birth year in there somewhere. Let's see. Like, oh, I'm not typing. 9-7. If I can do that, let me see something. Yeah, I can. Oh, do I not have the curve? Come on. Oh. Okay, there we go. A little curve feature. And I just want to do it kind of. See. Let's change the font on that. Oh, that you can't tell is 1997. So that font didn't work for what I wanted. So let's go back and see. That kind of works. So I wanted it on a curve. You can put it there. 1997 on a curve, La Brea. Okay. 1997. Trent Jr. was born in 1998. Delete 8. So let's curve it the other way since he's curved that way. I'm just going to bring it that way. And believe it or not, it's going to work. I'll bring it a little smaller. 1998. And Angel was born in 2003. So, let's see. 2003. So it's a lot of things you can do with this. You just gotta play around with it and come up with your own stuff and see how you like it. I think the numbers are a little bit too big, so I'm gonna change them. There you go. Cosmic Sands. And then 29.1. Okay. And I'm going to move it over just a little bit. Okay. And let's change hers to Cosmic Sands and just bring it up a little bit. Now that looks more appropriate. Isn't that nice? I think that's nice. A nice gift. So that's what I wanted to show you, some of the things that you can do. You can manipulate the items, change the font, change the size. We added the, looks like a space within the within the heart. Yeah, kind of curve the numbers. So this looks nice. Actually, it's what I wanted. So that's that. Okay. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I'll do my best to answer it. The next time I come back, I may try to do a feel. I don't know, but I like it like this. If I do a feel, it'll be glitter, glitter, glitter here and here, and maybe a solid here for my son. But yeah, this is the design that I like. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Okay. Have a good day. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like my stuff, so that shows me that you're interested and I can come back and give you more. Okay? All right. Bye bye.